to the channel, everybody. Thank you for hitting that play button. Today's video, I'm actually out with my vet club right here, and we're headed to a cruise in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. We've got the cars that are starting to roll out here. We've got, I didn't even count, so I don't know how many we have, and the sun's kind of right in you guys' face, so we'll catch a few of these guys that are coming. We've got, of course, a beautiful Grand Sport C6 right there. We've got a James and his beautiful Z06, chrome wheels. Mr. Ferry, beautiful red Stingray. There's Mrs. 918 in Fearsome. Here they come. Here they come. We're gonna catch up. Now just think, I gotta drive really fast to catch these people because they're gonna be on the highway and gone. Yo, we got them. We got them. Black Beauty. Not for sure what's going on there. But guys, let's jump in this thing and let's go for a ride. But first, before we do, let's check out some Corvettes.
Walking by the ocean, feeling all emotion. When she came right up next to me, I got caught up in the moment. Felt like we were frozen, like it was literally meant to be. Time stood still right there. Time stood still right there. We rode the sun, we became one. So connected, it must have been our destiny. And now I know I'll never let this ever end in somewhere other than next to me. 'Cause time stood still right there. Time stood still right there. We rode the sun, we became one. Passing cars, I don't know, this is a turnpike, so they're moving. I don't know how well the sound is going to be because I didn't have a chance to put up the exterior mic. But let's just say we're moving and we're coming up on the pack here now. About these cars. Okay, I'm slowing down. We've caught the leader of the pack. So I'm
I do is usually I'll slow down and start grabbing some footage of the cars. Do quite regularly, and that's catch up with my vet family here in the Tulsa area, Tulsa Vette Set, and we're going on a cruise. As I know I said that before. Luckily, we've got no traffic in my lane here, so I'm going to be able to get quite a few of these guys coming up on me. But catch their cars as they fly by. I mean, just look at the row of them. Isn't that just beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Just red and gray and orange and blue and silver and black and just beautiful. There's nothing like getting out and taking a cruise somewhere with just some amazing people. We've got an exit here coming up pretty soon.
Stood still right there. We rode the sun, we became one. We rode the sun, we became so connected, it must have been our destiny. And now I know I'll never let this ever end in somewhere other than next to me. Cause time stood still right there. Time stood still right there. We rode the sun, we became one. We rode the sun, we became one.
We're here on the side of the road where, hey, we got to get some footage as the Corvettes come by here. We've got kind of jumbled up a little bit in traffic, but sometimes that happens. But here they go. This is what owning a Corvette's all about right here. This is what it's all about. Having a great time, guys.
We rode the sun, we became one. We rode the sun, we became one. Time stood still right there. Time stood still right.
This is the lunch portion. Oh, beef chimichanga. Oh, wow. Thank you. Like Bob said, you can't come to a Mexican restaurant and leave, you know, hungry. This week's video, we've got Corvettes over here. We've got some Corvettes over there, and there's actually some Corvettes around the side over there. But we are finished with just a wonderful Mexican deal. I had the chimichanga, and I'm going to be taking some fish or some shrimp tacos home because those things they're always great. And my wife said, honey, you know, I'll put them in my car if you want me to. So she's an amazing woman. We don't have to put them in yours, we can put them in mine. So normally, typically, we don't travel with any type of food, or sometimes we'll use drinks, things like that, but they've got to be in a bottle. But guys, until I see you at the next video, I want to thank you again for stopping by. I'm always honored and privileged that you stop by and spend a few moments with me as we have fun with Corvettes. Until I see you at the next one, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your week. Now, let's check out some of your beautiful rides.
I'd be
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends.